Hi guys, what's going on, agents? It's your boy Dimitri. What's going on, man? We have a brand new feature about to drop, and I thought I'd give you guys a quick preview on what's going on. Today, our feature is going to be called the LPR Dashboard. Some of you guys may already know what's up, some of you guys may not. Well, I'm here to break it down. So, what is the LPR Dashboard, right? So, we thought that we needed a one-stop shop, everything in one, where you can manage your LPR department, super easy, glimpse of an eye, just pretty much like everywhere else on Insightt, right? Super easy, super simple, super user-friendly, right? So, let's dive right in. Right, so here's the LPR dashboard, right? This is a fairly big company that I am demoing with, so bear with me while we have a little bit of load time. Boom. As you can see, this is a fairly large company. Shout out to them for allowing us to use their profile to do this demo, right? Shout out to them. So here, this is going to be your first page on the LPR dashboard, right? We have a couple of main KPIs for you to help with managing your whole LPR department, right? So let's go through them, right? We got average monthly scans right here, right? We got total scans right here. If I hit this view more, I can swap between total and unique scans, and all my drivers are going to be listed, right? If I click on one of these drivers, I'm going to get a day-by-day breakdown of what their total scans are, unique scans, and their uniqueness ratio. So you can tell, you can kind of scroll through here and see whether your driver was up or down, whether it's slacking or doing good for that day. This should kind of break everything down pretty simple for you, right? Total hits, we can have total hits broken down by the agent or by the client, right? And obviously, if we click on any one of these, it's going to take us straight to a page where we'll be able to see all of our hits. Boom. All right, so boom, impound, and obviously, on Insightt, anywhere there's a blue VIN, it can take us right into RDN. All right, so let's move along here. We have a uniqueness scan percentage, average scans per day. This is broken down by total and unique for your drivers. Average hits per day, obviously broken down by agents and clients here. We have a average scans per hit, whether it be total or unique, and a secure percentage. And obviously, if I click this, it's going to give me a breakdown of all of that jazz, right? Now, on this breakdown, I can also filter it for the type of case, whether they're open, secured, or closed, right? Now, one more thing here, at the top of this page, we have a date range filter. So by default, we're going to be filtered on month to date, but you can always click this yesterday button to get a smaller segment on what's going on, right? Year to date, we also have a custom time filter, so you can pull a specific period that you'd like, all right? All here at the top, right? Moving on from here, we have a heat map, right? And now you might hear heat map and think about it for scans, but this is a repo density heat map, right? So obviously the darker hexes have more repos. If you hover over each hex, it will tell you. And actually, if we zoom all the way in, it's going to show us icons, right? This bullseye means it was a direct hit. This case was already existing in RDN. This camera scan shows that it was a live hit, right? And obviously I can click on any one of these. Remember, blue VINs take you right into RDN, all right? I'll see notes, I'll see dates that it was secured, how long it was secured, so on and so forth. The cool thing about this heat map is that not only am I showing all repos, I can break it down for my specific LPR repos, right? Now, when I do this, I can compare, all repos to LPR repos. I can look and see where most of my LPR repos are happening. So I need to send more drivers there, more kits to that area. Or maybe I know, hey, right here in Huntingtown, it used to be good. Why aren't we scanning here? Why aren't we getting hits here? Let me send some drivers here, right? This is all about allocating your resources efficiently and effectively, right? To make the most benefit, right, of all your drivers, right? So once again, I break down that this is the LPR, so like I can see everything. Once again, you could compare, hey, let me see where my LPR repos are happening, and let me see where my repos are happening, right? Am I missing anything? Looks like we're in the same area. Good, right? So that's the heat map. If I scroll a little further down, boom, I have scan performance. Here we're going to show you a month over month scan performance, right? As you can see here, dates on the bottom and scans on the left, right? We can break this down by unique scans, your hits, and the ones that were secured. right? And obviously, you know, you're gonna have dips for the weekend and so on and so forth, but this will kind of give you an idea of how you're performing this year, which is blue, to how you're performing last year, which is green, right? And as I said, you can break this down by hits and by the ones that got secured, so you can have an idea of how you're performing. Right. Lastly, on this page, we're going to show your driver scan performance. Now, this is a little similar to what we have on the overview page. However, this is where we kind of break it down a little more, right? So this is going to have, you know, your drivers listed out here, as well as their hits, their secured hits, their scans, their unique scans, and their uniqueness ratio, right? Most of you guys may know this is a very important stat to understand how your drivers are performing, because pretty much all we do is we send our drivers out there with a pair of keys and a camera kit and say, hey, go scan, right? Let's get all these scans. I need, you know, X amount of scans per day. You know, some companies may, hey, take a picture of, you know, your counter at the start of your day at 0 and at the end of your day. No need to worry about all that. You know, everything is right here at your fingertips, right? So, you know, along with this, you know, we obviously show total and user averages as well. And that's just the LPR dashboard in a nutshell, right? So please check out Brennan's video. He's gonna have a video. We're gonna post a link somewhere down below, I don't know. And he's gonna give you a further breakdown and help you understand more on what we have to offer for the LPR dashboard and how to best use it, right? Best practices and all that. So I hope this was very informative. I hope you guys liked the new feature. Please send all your feedback my way. And until the next feature, catch you next time.